Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be kind of like an unboxing video, but like also not. It's going to be seeing if the subscription FabFitFun is worth your money. So I did purchase one of the boxes. Now this is the editor's box, I believe, and it's like the spring editor's box, but it's still kind of the same thing as what I thought. So like we're still gonna unbox it, we're still gonna see if it's worth our money, and we're gonna get into it right now. So guys, if you don't know, FabFitFun is a subscription box that is quarterly, so it comes every spring, summer, fall, and winter. And the box costs $49.99, but it's over a $200 value. So they really try to put products in here that are products that you're going to want to try. They're more expensive products, and you know. And this video is not sponsored. Like, I purchased this and I was like, I want to see if it's worth it. So I thought I would come on here and let you guys know what I thought. Alright, so when you open up the box, it looks like this. So it says FabFitFun on the top, and then it has this little paper in here. Oh, it's like a newspaper, so that's cool. And then there's also a card in here that says FabFitFun. It says, share the love of FabFitFun. Pass this card on and your friend will get $10 off their first box. And then the next thing is there's a note. It says a note from us. And then it says, at FabFitFun, we are all about bringing you the best of the best. That's why we are especially excited to introduce the editor's box. We handpicked every item with you in mind, filling this box with our top-rated brands and products most beloved by our editors and members. It's one of our favorites, so we hope you love it as much as we do. And then it tells me what's in the box and then a little description about it and how much they are. So as we're going through this, I will tell you how much each product is, and then I'll calculate at the end how much the box is worth versus what I paid for it. So after all that's out, the box is connected by like a little piece of paper right there and a sticker. So I'm just going to open that up and start pulling products out. Alright, so the first product that I picked up is from Bath Bombs. It is the We Take Bath Bombs Seriously, Seriously Fun, that is. There are 4 luxurious fragrances. It's a set of 4 bath bombs. So the card says right here, okay, so it says, relax and pamper yourself at home with these bath bombs. Ingredients include shea butter, cocoa butter, argan oil, and olive oil to nourish the skin, and these are worth $16. I guess I will open it so you guys can see what the little bath bombs look like. This is what the bath bombs look like. They're just 4 cute little bath bombs sitting in there. I'm excited to use these. I've actually never used a bath bomb, so that's crazy. There are 4 scents in here, and I'll read them off to you. We have fig and white peach. We have grapefruit and mandarin, red rose, and French lavender. Ooh, I'm really gonna love this one. I love lavender. So that is awesome. All right, the next thing in the box is the Daily Concepts Your Hair Wrap Towel for a quick, dry, and smoothing experience. So this is supposed to be anti-frizz towel, easy to use, and hands-free drying. So that's awesome. This is what it looks like. And the card on here says that it reduces frizz from hair and cuts blow drying time in half with this oh so soft towel. So that's awesome. This is worth $18. So this is the towel. Ooh, it is very soft. So you put your hair in it and then wrap it and put it on your head, I guess. Cool. The next thing in the box is this. And this is a homemade ceramic mug. This is Steph Curry's wife. This is, I guess, her brand. I didn't know she had a brand. And this is a little mug. So let's see. Oh, this is such a cute little mug. Look. It's little eyelashes, and then the smiley face says, I'd rather be in bed. How precious is this? I love mugs, and this is so cute. And it's such a cute color, too. Oh, I love this. Homemade by Ayesha Curry, I'd rather be in bed ceramic mug. This cozy oversized cup was designed with love by Ayesha Curry, the New York Times bestselling author, TV host, restaurateur, chef, and mom. It's perfect for your favorite beverages, whether it's coffee or something a little more grown up. Wink, wink. Enjoy. And it says it was $16. So that's awesome. I really love this mug. It's so cute. The next thing in the box is this Free People eye mask. So it looks like this. It says Free People on it. Wow, this is really heavy for an eye mask. Oh my goodness gracious. It says Free People by Understated Leather. It's a starry-eyed travel eye mask in mint or gray, which mine is mint. And it says this vegan leather eye mask features a removable, non-toxic cooling insert to keep you feeling and looking refreshed. The adjustable elastic strap offers a perfect fit every time, and a charming metallic patchwork keeps you dreaming amongst the stars. So there's a little slip in here, and you can pull this out and you can like heat the little pad inside there, and then the strap right here it has like an adjustable thing, and so you can adjust it to fit your head, which is awesome. And this is so nice feeling. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna love this. And it says it retails for $40, and I believe it because this is like Free People and leather. So the next thing in the box I'm really excited for. This is the Tarte High Performance Naturals eyeshadow palette, and it's the Double Duty palette. It looks like this in the shade Leave Your Mark. This is so cute. Look at it. It has little lip prints all over it. How precious. Definitely like an everyday palette. So it has your mirror right here, and then it has all the shades right here. So it comes with one matte shade and the rest are shimmers. This says it's the Double Duty Leave Your Mark eyeshadow palette. The 7 warm tone metallic and matte shadows and a white gold highlighter. It's great for creating soft everyday looks, and each shadow is powered by Tarte's signature Amazonian clay for a non-patchy color payoff and longevity. So this says it retails for $30, which is awesome. I love Tarte. Alright, the next thing in the bag, or in the box, is this. And this is the Summer and Rose. So it says it's the Summer and Rose striped tote with black stripes or blue stripes. Mine has the black stripes. Okay, so it says it has ropes for handles, which is so cute. Look at this. It's adorable. I love it. This would be like the perfect beach bag. Okay, it says it has rope handles, stripes on stripes, and this tote totally deserves a spot in your handbag collection. It also features 2 pockets, making it easy to carry around the essentials. And it says it retails for $54. Wow, so this is really awesome. I think I will use this for a beach bag. So next is the Kate Somerville Skin Health Experts All Skin Types Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. Now this honestly is why I bought the box. This and the next product is because I saw this in here and have been wanting to try it forever. And I was like, I will never pay that much for it. But I got this in this box, which is awesome to me. So this is the, like I said, Kate Somerville Exfoliate. It has papaya, pumpkin, and pineapple enzymes made for a perfect polish in just 2 minutes. This cult favorite product uses both physical and chemical exfoliation to improve the appearance of skin textures and pores while brightening and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And this thing, get ready, this retails for $75. That's right, I said $75. I think that's crazy, but I really wanted to try it, and this box gave me an opportunity to do so, so thank you guys. So anyway, I think it is awesome that we got a Kate Somerville product in the FabFitFun box. That is like crazy, so I'm so excited about that. Alright guys, the last product in the box is another thing that I bought the box for because I've been wanting to try this forever, and I thought this would be a great way to try it out. So this is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. Now I've been wanting to try this out forever, as long as I can remember, because Kathleen Lights talks about it here on YouTube. And I mean, this thing, it's not cheap, okay? And you know, I just thought I didn't want to spend all the money on it, but like also I'm getting it in this box, so why not? So anyway, this is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. It says, give yourself a break from dry, damaged stress. Briogeo's unique Nova Complex delivers an optimal blend of transformative nutrients like B vitamins, rosehip, and argan oils, and biotin to restore essential hydration and natural vibrancy to lackluster hair. Now this is a hair mask, in case you guys didn't catch that the first 3 times I said it. And I'm really excited to try this. I've heard this is a really great brand, and it's awesome that it was in our FabFitFun box, so yeah. Okay guys, are you ready? This box, everything that I received in this box, retails for $279. That is right. I said $279. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm totally okay with paying $49.99 for all of these products. I think this was totally worth it. Now, again, this video is not sponsored. I bought this with my own money, and they didn't ask me to make a video. They don't even know who I am. I just thought that it would be cool to see if it was worth it or not and to tell you guys about it. So I definitely think it was worth it. There are so many people that have codes as well that you can get this box for $40. You get $10 off the box, which is amazing, especially if you saw all the products that I got and it was worth $279. But you will get it for $39.99. There are a lot of people out there who have those codes. You can just look it up. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching this video, for sticking with me through all of this. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day or night wherever you are. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!